Generating high-quality ad copy can be time-consuming, but with AdCreative AI, you can create effective, eye-catching copy in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use AdCreative AI to effortlessly generate high-quality ad copy that resonates with your audience, whether you're new to digital marketing or looking for a powerful tool to streamline your ad creation process. Stick around to the end, because I'll also reveal how you can get an exclusive extended free trial to this software. AdCreative AI is an AI-powered tool designed to generate top-performing ad copy for your campaigns. It uses advanced algorithms and data from successful ads across various platforms to produce copy that not only grabs attention but also drives conversions. The best part? You don't need to be a professional copywriter to use it. With AdCreative AI, even beginners can craft compelling ad copy in seconds. Once you log into AdCreative AI, you'll be prompted to create a new ad. First, you'll need to select your campaign goal. Are you looking to generate leads, increase sales, or raise brand awareness? The software uses this information to tailor your copy, ensuring it aligns with your marketing objectives. Next, you'll input a few key details about your product or service. AdCreative AI uses this to generate personalized ad copy that speaks directly to your target audience. The software leverages the power of AI to analyze tons of high-performing ads across multiple platforms like Facebook and Google, and then distills that data into powerful copy that resonates. One of the standout features of AdCreative AI is its ability to test different variations of your ad copy. After you generate your first draft, you can create multiple variations and run them in parallel to see which performs best. This A/B testing feature is critical for optimizing your ads and ensuring you get the best results possible. But that's not all. AdCreative AI also offers suggestions for images and visuals that pair well with your ad copy. This means you can create a complete, ready-to-launch ad campaign in just a few minutes, without needing any design skills. The software takes the guesswork out of the equation and helps you design high-quality ads that are more likely to convert. Now, if you're wondering whether this is the right tool for you, let me assure you that AdCreative AI is incredibly versatile. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer working with clients, or an entrepreneur launching your own products, this software can save you time and boost your ad performance. You can get started completely free by clicking the link below. And here's the bonus. Not only will you get access to the tool, but we've worked out an exclusive deal that gives you an extended free trial so you can fully explore all of AdCreative AI's powerful features. Don't miss out. AdCreative AI is a game changer when it comes to crafting high-quality ad copy quickly and efficiently. Whether you're just getting started or looking to level up your ad campaigns, this tool is a must-have in your digital marketing toolkit. Make sure to use the link below to start your free trial and discover the full potential of AdCreative AI.